Hey guys, Andrew here. Today we are making the traditional sugar candy from South Korea, aka Honeycomb from Squid Game. It's really simple and I thought it was really easy to make as well, but as it turns out, it quite isn't. Took me a few tries, but in the end it worked out perfectly. Anyway, hope you're doing well today and let's go. Okay, so as you can see by the intro, these will be the most important tools for the recipe. A ladle and a chopstick. In case you couldn't tell, FYI. To start off, let's prep our workspace. Get yourself a non-stick surface like parchment paper. I didn't have it, so I used tin foil.
I don't have my machete, so we're going a different style.
Then sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on top of that surface so the candy will really not stick to it. Now get your cookie cutters, any shape you want, and dip them into the soda to coat too. Then get a big bowl and fill it with water. In this bowl we will put our nasty molten sugar caramel that will be left on the ladle and the chopstick. That way we will clean it faster and easier. Then lastly, to flatten out your candy, you should get a big flat metal surface. Worst case scenario, you can use a knife. I tried using it and it wasn't perfect, but it got the job done. What I used was this spoon rest that I got here and it worked out perfectly. Now sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on these tools and you're ready. Okay, now let's go to the stovetop and start making the candy. So if you don't have a gas stove, you can use a small sauce pot instead of a ladle. Since I have only a gas stove and I'm doing it like they do in Korea, I use this ladle.
They do impressive work in Korea.
Good. Now let's get 20 grams or 4 teaspoons of white granulated sugar into the ladle. Set your baking soda nearby and start heating the ladle over low heat on the stove. Stir continuously while heating. Once the ladle gets hot enough, you will see the sugar starting to clump up. Keep mixing until it becomes smooth and darkish. Immediately when it turns amber color and there are no lumps left, turn off the stove, tap your chopstick into the soda 2 times and continue mixing off the heat. When the soda starts to bubble up a bit and is fully mixed, pour out your caramel candy mixture onto the foil. The mixing should not take more than 5 seconds or so. Try to get as much of the mixture out as you can, but don't wait too long. Place your used ladle and chopstick into the bowl of water. Don't be scared by the whoosh sound. Now quickly squeeze on top of the mixture with your metal knife or other smooth metal surface tool. It took me few attempts to get it right, but I've got it done correctly. Once you've done that, wait a couple of seconds, about 2, and press in your desired form with a cookie cutter. Be very quick. Now, this also took me a couple tries to make it work. First few tries were rubbish and then I've got a hang of it.
Life is like an elevator. Up, down, stay focused.
Then carefully, without touching the mixture itself, place your candy to cool on a wire rack of some sort. Don't let this happen. Honeycombs are very fragile.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Do not try to eat it immediately. Wait a few minutes for it to cool down. Also, be very careful with molten sugar. Okay, now let's give it a try and see how it tastes. It tastes really good actually. Also, I found this needle over here. Almost. Well, I failed. It was so close. God damn it. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please smash the like button and consider subscribing. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you at the next one. Peace!